Right, we got petrol. Welcome to my channel, Smiles Per Gallon. How is everybody? Hope you're all feeling above average today. I know I am. Well, it's knocking on a bit late. I think it's something like 8:15 at evening, so it's knocking on to get dark. I finished work. I just thought I'd come out and have a chat. Listen to that exhaust, man, that's crazy. Yeah, so it's the first ride with the new exhaust on. So I thought I'd probably head over towards Squires that way on. It's just going to be a quick blast, really, just a test ride, and obviously get some on channel as well. So how is everybody? Woohoo! I'm sorry if I'm shouting. It's just that loud. I feel like I've got to shout for you to hear me. Oh, this is awesome, but I don't think neighbours are going to like it, so I reckon I'm going to have to put the baffles back in at some point. So we're just going on to the old A63 now, which is the old A1 before they turned it into a motorway. My plan was to go over to Peak District tonight, but you get in, you forget where you've put all, you know, my camera. I was looking all over for my camera. I couldn't remember. It's not where I normally leave it. And then I realised when I went to Cyprus, I packed it all away in a GoPro bag. Thought, yeah, that's where it is. Oh, have you heard that popping? Pop, 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 pop. YouTube about when they've changed exhaust. A lot of people say you need to put a power commander on it. I don't think this has got any maps on it, not that I can see anyway. I've had seats off and had a look. I can't see any power commanders or chips anywhere, so I'm assuming that it's just box standard apart from the exhaust and the hand guards. And I put... Thanks to everybody that's subscribed as well. Do us a favour, guys, if you've got this far and I haven't bored the pants off you, click that subscribe button, hit the bell icon and like this video, please. It does immensity for the channel. Or should I say it's immense for the channel. Kicks off that YouTube algorithm. Guys, I'm getting the views, I'm getting a click-through rate and everything, but for some reason I'm just not getting the subs. If you watch the video and you feel that there's something I could do better that might dwindle and get you to subscribe, please just send me a message. I reply to every one of my messages. I don't ignore anyone, even the negatives ones. I always reply to my messages, and that'll stay the same forever. So I think, you know, it's about time that I did arrange some kind of subs ride. If you would be interested, it'd definitely be on a Sunday. Most definitely be on a Sunday, so most people don't work. And if you've got any ideas on where we could make it, then that'd be great. But you know, if I don't get any comments saying I'm you know, anybody's wanting to come, then obviously I'll not mention it again. I've thought about doing a live video as well, live streaming video, and I'm going to get over and meet go see Jay, because I've not seen him messaged a couple of times, and I was going to go through over Sunday, but weather were cack, and you know, there's nothing worse than getting absolutely hammered wet through, riding all that way as well over towards Buxton, you know, Derbyshire and all that, all around Firth and everywhere. It's I've not got any really good waterproofs, but you know, I am going to send him a message, Jay. So if you're watching, Jay, we'll get out soon, old mate. I miss them, you know, like Fasty and Jay and Motovlog UK and Moist Decoy. I know we've never met, mate, but pal, it does feel like I know you. You know, I watch your channel and it does, like I said, it does feel like I know you. And I do actually plan getting over to see Simon B. I feel like I know him as well. We just about comment on just about every one of each other's videos, you know. I class him as a YouTube buddy, so I'm going to have to go over and get over to Ulverston that way on and go see Simon and do some of his fantastic roads up in the Lake District and over in Cumbria and all that, and Morecambe and everywhere. He does some fantastic rides, does Simon, so get over and give him a sub if you haven't already. He's got a really good channel, Simon B. He does your know-how videos and how-to and everything, you know, so he'll show you how to do oil changes and change your brake pads and everything, and strip your calipers down and what have you, chain tensions, and he's done all sorts, honestly. You know, three-wheel scooter. I love it when the sun's just coming down, sunset, it's absolutely beautiful. So you got back from Cyprus a few weeks ago and it was a lovely time, just too hot. I look like Patrick off SpongeBob. No, fuck it, I'm going to pull in and get a brewski. Oh, they've said my favourite park as well. In fact, yeah, look at Pompville. That'll do us. Just fantastic freedom. You're at one with yourself, and it's been absolute amazing therapy. I mean, it is. You just just feels so good when you're out on your bike. You forget about everything. You got any troubles, you're on your bike, they've gone. Obviously, they haven't gone because when you get home they're still there. Though, but you know, if you haven't got any problems, then they're still there. But I just love riding. I do. I think I may have come to a decision tonight. I'm not going to tell you what that decision is just yet. Right, guys and girls, I'm going to leave it here. Love you all to bits. Thank you to each and every one of you that's liked and subscribed. It means the world, honestly it does. If you've got this far, which I'm sure most of you haven't, but if you have, please consider hitting that subscribe button and liking this video. And hit the bell icon. Can't beat a good bell icon. So this is me, Smiles Per Gallon, signing off. I will see you soon. Ciao for now.